Welcome back, guys, to 509. Today we got another car from Banggood, and this is the first 110 scale WL Toys buggy. This might be the perfect beginner budget buggy. It's only $150, which is pretty cheap for a 110 scale. I don't think you'll find another 110 scale buggy for that kind of price. So you get your car, remote, same remote as the other ones. Also you get charger, spoiler. Oh dang, oh look at that, it like melted inside. It is the hottest day today in Spokane. It's 111, which is pretty hot. So dang, it melted from the heat. Just to be clear, guys, this was not like this when I got it. I checked it at home, it was perfect, and then it just kind of melted on the sun. There we go, the hot spoiler on there, one of a kind. If you guys want to buy this buggy, I'll have a link down below. This is the WL Toys 104001. So this is the battery it runs. It's the 2S LiPo 2200. The motor is the same as the other buggies, which probably means since this car is a little bit bigger and heavier, it's probably going to be slower. The bottom is metal. You have some metal parts right here, the towers. The tires are for carpet, but we're going to run it right here on the dirt. So first we're going to do a speed run just to see how fast this thing is. It's pretty nice. $26. That's actually not bad. This is a new layout, so every year they change up the track. So I'm gonna take it slow first lap, just kind of get used to it. Awkward. So far, my thoughts on it, it's actually not that bad for 150 bucks. I thought it'd be slower. It is still underpowered. Brushless system would be nice in it, but I mean, for 150 bucks, you can't really find a better deal. And I mean, it is fun on the track. Alright guys, that's it for today. Make sure you guys check out the car and the link down below if you guys want to get it. Also check out the merch. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.